Oh yeah, you're the only person I'll let drive this besides my dad. So do you think you're gonna be able to pull out here? Okay. Okay. Go ahead, put in drive.
Who was driving? Just this girl I met today.
Yeah. I don't know, to be honest. Don't know her name. Just kidding.
Left.
Oh shoot, the brake's up. 1 second. Brake. Okay.
Oh, this doesn't even have a back. God damn it, I'm so used to my car. I hate that. It reminds me of like a little airplane. You know like the propeller thing in the front? And then you have to get used to it when you're driving.
It's a lot different.
Yeah.
So then any car you get in after this is gonna feel really short.
Short?
Like
oh
it's
yeah,
like
because
it has no front
I
end.
know it feels like it's so long. It's ridiculous.
Okay.
And then you're
I'm less nervous than I thought.
Really? Okay, cool.
But we are on private property.
Yeah,
so.
yes, it's different. I feel like this would be similar to Wayzata in a way.
Yeah. I haven't had to yell at you too much, just about the curves. Make me nervous in the curves.
Yeah.
How's it feel?
Oh, wonderful.
I feel like you're already used to it.
I'm already used to it. I feel like I would get used to this pretty quickly.
So I have nothing to worry about.
No, nothing at all.
And I was like, I'm just in a weird way, but it fits you. It looks like
my aesthetic.
It looks like something you would drive regularly down Beverly Hills.
Down Beverly. Oh my god, that's so funny.
I'm still gonna yell at you about the curves though.
Okay, no problem.
Because this thing is longer, so this is like a big truck. You ever driven like a big truck?
Nope.
Okay, it's probably the longest car you've driven too.
Probably.
Okay.
Yeah, my dad'd be impressed if I showed him this. Okay, watch the curve.
Yeah, you got room on this side. Alright, he's laughing. Okay.
Are you serious?
Yeah, and then take a break. Bye.
Loves that. Everyone turns, everyone bikes. Oh my god, what is this life?
Yeah, honestly, when I drive, it's gonna sound bad, but I kind of got used to it where I just stare straight ahead. Yeah. And I know what happens, but I kind of in a way ignore it.
Everyone's filming you when you're driving a nice car. What a life!
What a life. There's. You see that button?
What button?
There's a button underneath the.
You gotta blast somebody off though.
This one?
Yeah, hit it.
Oh my god.
I like it.
Yeah, it's got the train horns on it.
I like it.
I wish I had Dixie, but this one doesn't.